Right. Good morning, all of you. One more time. So now, I think topic number 4. Correct? Introduction. Next one is electric potential difference. Fourth one, now fifth one. Electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole. So very important, 5-mark question. Very important 5-mark question. 2 stars on I have given. So why? Because still so many important questions are there based on capacitors in the chapter. So mostly they will ask questions are based on capacitors and due to point charge. And based on potential energy. 2 systems, 2 charged particles, like that questions are there. So based on that they will ask question, right? So electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole. In the first chapter also we learned already what is that electric field at any point due to an electric dipole. Correct? So that is I have given previous question. That means in the first chapter. Yes or no? Electric field at any point due to an electric dipole. That is I have given like that. Is the minus q, this is the plus q, so this is the O somewhere here. So I have given this is the EA and this is the E equatorial, this is the resultant. Correct? This is the O, this is the R, this is the A total distance. Correct or not? So like that I have this is the P, this is the P cos theta, P sin theta is the P cos theta. Like that I have given previous question. That means first chapter. So what is that? E is equal to K P divided by x cube or R cube into 1 plus root over 1 plus 3 cos square theta. This is the formula. For electric field at any point due to an electric dipole. I have given this one. Right? But PU purpose this is not required, just a formula is enough. But now, same question they are asking. What is that? Electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole. Alright. So, what is the expression? Here also same. Previous I have given what is that? Electric potential at a point charge. Yesterday given, right? What is that? V is equal to K into Q by R. This formula you can remember, everybody. So what is that? V is equal to K into Q by R. What is this? First point. Due to point charge. Similarly, so if I take here minus Q, here plus Q, then here O, right, somewhere here on the axial line. What is the electric potential? On the axial line at point P. So V is equal to what? V is equal to how much? Similarly, on the equatorial line at this point, what is the electric potential? This is the equatorial line, this is the axial line. Alright? Now third one, at any point here, at any point, what is the electric potential? That's what directly I will give you at any point where theta will come. So with the help of theta, we will give you easily on the axial line, on the equatorial line. Correct or not? If theta is equal to 0, that is on the axial line. If theta is equal to 90, on the equatorial line. Right? So that's what direct only one derivation we will use to all information on the axial line, on the equatorial line. Okay. So now we will consider one dipole. Right. So this is the dipole. Minus Q and plus Q. So two charges are separated by a very small distance. Remember, dipole is this is a very small distance. So two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. So this is center of a dipole. So this is the A and this is the A. A and A. Okay? A and A. Now, somewhere I will consider here. This is the point P. At point P, electric potential is equal to how much? Electric potential. So how much distance I want to consider there? I will consider some distance. Okay na? I will consider some distance. So from where to where? So from here to here. Okay, like that I will consider. This is the some distance. From O to P, R distance I will consider. How much distance? R distance. Alright? Then I am asking potential at point P due to positive charge. Due to positive charge. Here, this is the V1. V1 is equal to how much? How much distance I want to consider? R1. Why? Because V is equal to K into Q by R1 in a formula. So that's what here I want to potential V1 due to plus Q. So that is the formula. So V1 is equal to Q by R1 distance. But R1 value I don't know. Right? You can calculate. So similarly, the potential at point P due to minus Q. Alright? So here also I want to some distance. Why? Because potential V is equal to, this is the, I will consider R2 distance. R2 distance I don't know. So I know here only just R. This is the R I know. Correct? Is the R. R is equal to the distance. Right? What is R? Where R is the distance O to P. So now I want to R1, similarly R2. R2 is greater than of R. Correct? R1 is less than of R. R1 is less than of R. R2 is greater than of R. Yes or no? Are you following or not? R2 is greater than of R distance. R1 is less than of R. But how much? Alright? So for that purpose only I can extend here. So this line from here to here I can extend. So both are equal distance purpose only. I can extend. So here theta, here 90 degrees I will consider. Now I don't know. So this is the O dash. This distance I don't know. But this value I know. What is this value? A. Right? So here 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. Now R2 and this distance both are same. Both are equal distance. Which one? R2 and now total distance P2 P dash. P2 P dash. P2 P O dash is equal to P to Q. P to Q, I will give here A point, this is the B point. So, PA, correct amma? Like that I can assume. P O dash is equal to PA. What is the PA? PA is the R2. PA is the R2. Alright, now I want to this remaining distance. The remaining distance I want to. Therefore here triangle AO dash. AO dash. So now cos theta will consider. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side, this one. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is A. Therefore adjacent side is how much will come? A cos theta. So I got this is A cos theta. A cos theta. Therefore R2 is equal to how much will come? R2 is equal to here to here R, here to here A cos theta. Therefore R plus A cos theta. Are you clear everybody? R2 I got. Similarly, I want to R1. R1 is obviously less than of R. So that's what here also I can draw perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. Alright? So here. P2O. P2, I will give you P dash. That is the P dash. Okay? That is the P dash. Now, P dash is equal to PB. Is equal to PB. Alright? So here theta, here also we will consider theta. So this is the 90 degrees. So therefore here also how much will come? A cos theta will come. A cos theta will come. Correct? Therefore, now R1 is equal to R minus A cos theta. R minus A cos theta. Right. So everything is fine. Everything is fine. Correct? So now we will write here. So let us consider. So this and all this we can write it. What is that? AB is the dipole. Dipole length. A is 2A. Right? Right. Let point P is the let point to P. What is our right? You can write it. Dipole length is 2A. Right. So at point to P, electric potential is what? That is our question. Electric potential is what? Alright. So distance between O to P is equal to R, and distance between, so where B to P is R1. Similarly, A to P is R2. Correct? So that's what here R1 is equal to what is R1? R1 is one only. R minus A cos theta. Similarly, R2 is equal to R plus A cos theta. Right. At point P, or else I will write here V1 is the potential at P due to plus Q, charge plus Q, charge plus Q, correct Amara? That is, similarly V2 is the potential at P due to charge minus Q, minus Q. Then net potential, then net potential, then net potential at P is V net is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2, correct? V1 plus V2. Here description little bit. Okay. So now I want to V1 value as well as V2 value. Therefore, V net is equal to V1. What is the V1? K into Q1 by R1. Correct? Next, minus K into Q2 by R2. Q2 by R2. That means here plus Q. This is the minus Q. Q1 is plus Q. Q2 is minus Q. Like that I took that. Right. Okay. Then now formula substitute there. So what is the common there? So what is the common? K and Q. Take common. 1 by R1. What is R1 value? R1 is equal to R minus A cos theta minus 1 by R plus A cos theta. Very simple. Therefore, KQ LCM R minus A cos theta and R plus A cos theta. Then R plus A cos theta minus of plus minus to minus plus A cos theta. So minus R plus R get cancelled. Therefore, what happened here? KQ into A cos theta 2A cos theta divided by A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus B square cos square theta. What it is? V net. V net. Therefore, what is the meaning of Q into 2A? Q into 2A is nothing but P, right? Therefore, final formula K into P cos theta divided by R square minus A square into cos square theta. Cos square theta. This is the potential. Now V net I will consider V. Okay? Potential at any point. Potential at any point. Very simple derivation. Can you have this one? Can I have the top 3 lines? Okay. Okay, now you can see this one. So, where R is greater than A. R is greater than 2A is the very small distance. 2A is the very small distance. But A is still very small distance. That's what we can neglect that is. So that A is nearly equal to 0. So that's what here. 0 into cos square theta. So 0. So what happened? V is equal to K into P cos theta divided by R square. Divided by R square. This is our finalized formula. That's it. Is the formula. Now special cases. Special cases. First one. If theta is equal to 0 degree, that means electric potential on the axial line. Correct or not? That means theta is 0 means this point we will consider here itself like that only. We will consider somewhere here. That is the point. That point on the axial line. Correct or not? Yes or no? Theta is equal to, this theta is equal to 0 means this point will come here on the axial line. Therefore, so what would be happen? We will see. So V is equal to K into P divided by cos 0 1. So R square. This is the on the axial line formula. On the axial line formula. No more confusion. Sir, previous you are given formula V is equal to K into P Q by R. Correct? That means here V is proportional to 1 by R. Potential and distance. Inversely proportional to R. But here inversely proportional to R square. Right? No more confusion. That is a point chart. This is the on the axial line. On the axial line. But both are inversely proportional. But this is the square. Okay. Next. So, if theta is equal to 90 degrees, that means electric potential on the equatorial line. Right? Then what happened? V is equal to K into P into cos 90 0. 0 by anything 0. Remember. So very important point this one. And the equatorial line is 0. How are 0? That one also I will give you see. So for example, if I have electric dipole here. So this is the electric dipole minus Q and plus Q. So now this is exactly a bisector point. Correct? Electric dipole on the equatorial line. Electric potential on the equatorial. For example, I will consider here. So from here to here distance I will consider R distance. This is the A distance. So now here to here. So distance R1. Here to here distance is R2. So what is R1? R1 is equal to root over R square plus A square. Here root over R square plus A square. Correct? Therefore V net is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 is equal to V1. If I take this is the V1, this is the V2. Right, no problem. R1 I took no. This is the R2, this is the R1 no. Okay, so this is the V2, this is the V1 no. So V1 is equal to positive K into So what is that? So formula Q divided by root over R square plus E square is a minus Q minus K into Q by root over R square plus A square. So this is the minus, this is the positive. So what happened? Get cat, that is equal to 0. Correct? That's what on the equatorial line. So the electric potential is 0. Why? Because this is a scalar quantity. There is no direction. Correct? There is no direction. So as well as the magnitudes are equal. The magnitudes are equal. So that's what here on the equatorial line the potential is 0. The potential is 0. So this is the second derivation finished. Second derivation is finished. Next, sixth topic. Principle of superposition. Position of potential. We are speaking about potential. We are speaking about potential. Okay, na? So what is that? At any point, the algebraic sum of all the potential is called principle of superposition. Correct? Superposition. So now at point, any point, at point P I will consider. So from here potential V, right? So here potential, here potential, here potential, here potential, here potential, like that I will consider. Is the Q1, this is the Q2 charge, is the Q3 charge, is the Q4 charge, is the Q5, this is the Qn. At point P is R1 distance, R2 distance, R3 distance, R4 distance, R5 distance, R6 distance. Alright, here potential is V1, here potential is V2, here potential is V3, here potential is V4, here potential is V5, here potential is Vn. Then the net potential V net is equal to V net. Then V net is equal to V1 plus V2 plus so on Vn. Correct? Algebraic sum, not a vector sum, algebraic sum only. Maybe this is not a vector quantity. So scalar quantity, right? So that's what right now. So V net is equal to V1 plus V2 plus so on Vn. So V1 is equal to K into Q1 R1, K into Q2 R2 plus so on K into Qn Rn. Alright, so K take common, so Q1 plus R1 plus Q2 by R2 so on Qn Rn. So this is the V net at a point P, principle of superposition. Principle of superposition finish. Can I rub? Yes, very good. Next, seventh concept. seventh one. So seventh concept is points of zero potential. Points of zero potential. Points of zero potential. You know, this is the, so we are very this topic, correct? So many times we are having so many times we learn this concept. What is that meaning? For example, here Q1, here Q2 will be there. Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2. Where the potential, where the net potential is becomes 0. Where the net potential is equal to 0. Q1, Q2 will be there. So where net potential is equal to 0. Previous also I have given. Both are like charges mean for electric field purpose. Both are like charges mean net field is becomes 0 at the middle somewhere between Q1 and Q2. Here also same question. So what is that? Where the net potential is equal to 0. At what distance? At what distance net potential is becomes 0. So from here to here. So x is equal to what? X is equal to what? That is the first case. Case 1 is between. Case 2 is, so outside also. That means outside the line joining. Outside the line joining. Somewhere the net potential is equal to 0. So for example, here is the Q1, this is the Q2. So for example, if I take here, so somewhere here also at point O, here also V net is equal to 0. Then from here to here, distance is equal to what? Q1 to Q2 distance is equal to how much? From here to here, x is equal to what? Alright. So that is the meaning of this question. Field purpose, force purpose. Remember, in the electric force purpose, I have given equilibrium. Where the net force is becomes 0, that point is known as equilibrium. Like that I told you. Next, which one? Electric field. Electric field purpose, I have given null point. I have given null point. Null point means where the net field is 0, that point is nothing but null point. Now potential purpose. Potential purpose we are given points of zero potential. Points of zero potential. That means 2 points we are having. That means between 1 point, outside second point. At what distance potential is becomes 0. Potential is become 0. Right. So here little bit of difference will be there. So previous for force purpose and field purpose. So for light charges purpose I took